Hi, I'm Kalahana, and this is my story. I grew up in a small city, just outside Miami, Florida. I use this for transportation, because cars ruin the atmosphere, causes global warming, makes little holes in the ozone layer. Riots for things like global warming, pandas, and gay rights. I'm not gay, but I still believe in that stuff. I'm also a vegetarian. And I don't eat fish. I deliver mail to hobos! Here you go. Pandas! I don't go to Claire's, and neither should you. I get my accessories from nature. This is my favorite spot to meditate. It's so spacious and beautiful. This is my house. I built the whole thing by hand. Look, there's even a pulley system for when the animals leave something nice to eat. Look, it's organic. When I feel like I've done something bad, I lock myself up. Being a teen in a hippie is hard because of all the prejudice. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. That's my maid, Gloria. Whee! I guess it's too late for these guys. They've been already tracked down. I freaking love this place! Sometimes it's funny how much I love this place, this wonderful, wonderful, amazing world that we have, and we have to protect it and use what we have and stop making all this crap in the world. And it's mind-boggling. It's a great place. It's amazing. Well, that's my story.